Hello everybody! Welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art! Hello everybody! Welcome to a new easy shemodern tutorial with shemodern products. Hi! Let's start off with showing all the beautiful shemodern products I'm gonna use in this video. And in the meantime, let me tell you, I used 4 colors from each product. So it's sticky stamping polish and watercolor polish. Excuse me, that was a mouthful. Because if you go on shemodern's web store, you can buy them in packs from 4 products each, or you can go on Amazon and buy the whole set for a lot cheaper, and also the shipping cost is so much lower. I also gonna use 2 cat stamping plates. The first one we're gonna use the double layered bubbles, and on the second one I'm gonna use the 3 layered pussycats. I don't gonna do the ball though, only the 2 cats, okay? On my nails I already applied the black umikk gel U073. So let's begin, shall we? So like you can see, I'm starting off with the sticky black stamping polish. Scrape it at an angle from 45 degrees and we gonna pick it up. And let me tell you guys, the shemodern stamping polishes, oh my goodness, you need them in your life, okay? So like you see, this image is too small to go on the whole pinky finger, so we're gonna pick that stamp again and fill the whole finger. Also guys, I do 2 nails this I'm doing right here, so I only gonna show you 1 finger just because otherwise the video is gonna be too long for you, okay? So I also gonna do that with the middle fingers, the 2 middle fingers with the cats on it, just to save time for you, okay? So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So there we go with the second part from my pinky. We're gonna stamp that on there, and then we're gonna make it fun because we're gonna go in with some glow in the dark, baby. Whoop whoop. Yeah, we are getting close to Halloween, so let's start playing some more with the glow in the dark, right? Who is not loving glow in the dark? Come on now. So we're gonna pat. You don't gonna wipe. First you wanna pat it all in there, and then you can wipe off the excess just the way I am doing right here. And then twiddle. Look at that. Okay, so I'm cleaning my stamping plate so we can get along for the next one. And like I told you, the second finger is already done. Now we're gonna use a sticky white opaque stamping polish. Scraping an angle from 45 degrees, I like that. And we're gonna pick it up, and like you are gonna about to see, again, a perfect pickup. Look at all those details. So I wanna clean off the little bits and bobs that I don't need, and now we're gonna try and do our best to place it over the already stamped bubbles. I know, it's not perfect. I'm missing some glow in the dark bubbles, but that is with a simple reason, because I randomly stamped some extra bubbles on the nail, okay? So don't come after me, okay? I did my best, okay? And the result is still gonna be cute. Also, a cute fact about the glow in the dark, you can see it right now on the nail, right? It's like a grayish color, but trust me, once you go over with the top coat, it's gonna be invisible. That gives you some ideas, right? Okay, let's start with the sticky yellow stamping polish. So we're gonna start our first pussycat. We're gonna scrape it again, pick it up, and again, perfect pickup. I don't know what shemodern is doing with those sticky stamping polishes, but guys, I'm telling you, I was a nobody with stamping, but now I'm getting a queen in stamping, let me tell you. So we're gonna go back in with the glow in the dark pigments, also from shemodern. Dab. Don't you rub it in there. You first wanna dab it in there. You don't wanna smudge your stamping, okay? So dab it all in there, let it dry just for a little bit, and then you can wipe off the excess. It's easy like that, guys. Everybody can do it. I can do it. Okay, let's go to the sticky rose stamping polish. Again, I speed it a little bit up because yeah, it's quite repetitive, like you can see. Stamp it on the nail and kabam caboodle. First layer is done. Get in with the glow in the dark pigment again. We're gonna make that baby glow, glow, glow. By the way, I am not sure. It is possible that this video is gonna be a collab with Pumpkin Nail Station. Hey, if not, I still gonna place it in our playlist, because yes, we made a playlist together, one on my channel and one on Pumpkin Nail Station, her channel. So if you want to see all different kinds easy shemodern videos, how to use the products, how to make beautiful easy designs, definitely take a look at our new playlists. Okay, it's really fun, really cute, and we, like I told you, we only gonna place shemodern videos in there. So yeah, I really hope you guys like the idea that Pumpkin Nail Station and me are doing with those playlists. I think it's gonna be so much easier for you if you are looking after designs with the shemodern products. You have, like, you know, one place to go to see them all. You know what I mean? Okay, so like you can see, we are now going in with the sticky black again, so we can do the outline of my first pussycat. And oh my god, have you seen that pickup? I know, I am so far off with my outline, but hey, I think it give it something cute, you know. I'm just trying to feel better here. Yes, I bet this one I really messed up. So you can see it, I also typed it on the screen. I will remove this pussycat, yeah, and I will restamp it. You're gonna see it appear in blue. So I'm now using the sticky white stamping polish again. See, it's a blue pussycat right now. So we're gonna place some bubbles on this nail. Oh, by the way, maybe you notice it or maybe not, but these bubbles, I do them in a different way. First, I'm stamping the white outline of the bubbles, and I am not using the full cover inside, and now I'm covering it with glow in the dark pigment. Trust me, when you're gonna see the glow in the dark, you will see the difference, okay? So actually you have two ways. If you have a double layered plate, you have two ways to make them glow up, if you want to say it like that. You can make them show up like full balls, but you can also choose to make them show up as an actual bubble. So yeah, you will see at the end, when I show you the glow in the dark, which ones are gonna be the balls and which ones are gonna be the bubbles. So yeah, I just top coated everything, and here we are. Look at that, how beautiful is that? So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm using the shemodern watercolor polish. So it's like a water paint but more liquid. They are jelly, they are sheer, and oh my god, they're so beautiful. So I just showed you the colors. I'm gonna use a really fine brush, and of course some water. No watercolor without water, right? I already put my colors on my mixing canvas, and I'm gonna start with that in my brush. That's something that I always like to do, especially when it is like a long time ago that I used the brush. I always like to moisture my bristles, is how you say it, I guess. English number one here, excuse me. So yeah, this is the really fun part, guys. It is so relaxing to work with those watercolors. Yeah, it's definitely one of my top favorite shemodern products. They are so easy to use. Like, see, if you change the color, just wipe it off on a piece of paper, go in the other color, and proceed. And when you're done, you just clean your brush in a little bit of water, dry it with a little paper, and kabam caboodles, you are all done, all finished. Also, these are water resistant after they are dried up. So if you want to do a fade with them, if you want to make them look more like watercolors, you know, it's, yeah, then you need to work like a little bit faster, because let me tell you, they are drying nice and fast. So you don't have a big window if you wanna, you know, make the colors bleed in each other. But I definitely will make more videos where I show you how you need to do that, okay? Also guys, if you have an idea for me or for Pumpkin to do with the shemodern products that you like to see us make or do, definitely let us know in the comments, because we like to do what you like to see, okay? But oh my god, how beautiful is this nail becoming with the colors. And like you can see, because those colors are sheer, it is still popping out over the black, and that's what I so love about the watercolors. You can basically do anything with them. It's just amazing. Look at that, right? How beautiful is that? So on the cat nails, I don't gonna color in the bubbles because yeah, I like it a little bit different than my set. So after the watercolors are completely dry, you're gonna see it because they're becoming a little bit matte. Then we're gonna do the top coat like I'm doing right here, and then you are all done. That is the set. How quick and easy was that, guys, right? So cure it for 30 seconds and kabam caboodles, there we have it. So I laid out all the products that I have used, like you can see, 4 colors each. I also used the black and the white, of course. So yeah, if you also want those, then you need to buy you like 2 sets with the sticky stamping polish, or you can choose black and white and 2 colors. But I gonna go now, guys, because my time is gone, and you know what I always say in the end, right? Geef deze beertjes een brul, and oh my god, look at that glow! So beautiful, right? Geef deze beertjes een brul, rawr, and stay sassy. I love you all, and I see you later. Bye bye, everybody. Mwah. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, and also to Pumpkin and Shemodern, okay? Bye bye.
Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video, and also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up, okay?